What's up, everybody? You have questions, I have answers. I have a new idea, a new experiment we want to try. Since I'm reading your comments on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on YouTube, it's too much for me to keep track of. Here's what I want you to do. If you have a question, submit it via video format. I'm going to include a link down below. Click on that link and then submit your video question. So here's some guidelines for your video question. First, say your name, tell me what city you're from, and then get right into the question. Don't tell me a whole long story, okay? Make sure you articulate your question clearly, since I won't have the ability to ask you back. Once you finish your question, say peace, say I love you, or say whatever it is you want, and get out. The limitation is you have to do this in under 1 minute. Shoot your video, HD, 1920 by 1080, 24 frames per second, and then submit the video. You can shoot this with your iPhone or with the DSLR or whatever camera you have available. Make sure the audio quality is nice and clear so we can hear you. Make sure your exposure is good, but otherwise it doesn't matter. Send me your question. I would love to see your faces. Okay, talk to you guys later. See you in the future.